Hey legends, in this video I'm going to go through the full 12 volt install that I'm doing in my Caravan. So let's go. What is up guys, Aaron here from As Around Oz. In this video I'm going to run you through the full 12 volt upgrade that I'm doing in the Caravan. So I'm going to split it into two videos. The first video I'll run you through what gear is currently in it. It's just full standard from MDC, nothing's been changed. And then I'll run you through all the gear I've got that's going to go into the Caravan. In the second video, we're going to run you through the full install. So we'll film it, we'll show you what we've done, what we've had to change, things we've kept from the current system that you might be able to keep in yours if you're looking to upgrade to something similar. And then we'll show you the final outcome at the end and what it can do. It's pretty exciting for me, but it's bloody hot right now, so we're going to get straight into it for you. Okay guys, welcome back. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run you through the system that's currently in the Caravan. Like I said before, it's standard from MDC, nothing's been changed as of yet. I'll run you through all that before we get into the new gear. So underneath the bed here, find our battery system. So at the moment it's 3 100 amp hour AGM batteries. Out of that you can only use about 150 amps of power. It's also about 75 kilos sitting there, so lots of weight. Underneath the chair here, we've got our charging equipment. So we've got the 25 amp DC-DC charger from Projector, as well as a Projector 240 charger. So that's the one that you use when you're plugged into caravan parks or at home. That fellow is going to be the one that you're using. Also got a little 1000 watt inverter. So all that's going to come out. We're going to keep some of the cabling. It's 35 degrees, why is he mowing his lawn? So we're going to pull most of that out, we'll keep some of it, change the breakers out, change some cabling, and we'll throw this new system in, which I'll show you now.
A few minutes later.
Alrighty guys, now the exciting part. As you can see behind me, I've got a full iTECHWORLD set up to go into this Caravan. It might be a bit overkill, I admit that, for a 13-foot hybrid Caravan, but I'll go into a bit later why I've gone this route, and I think it'll suit my needs perfectly. I've gone with iTECHWORLD for a few reasons. So I followed them for a long time, I've done my research, and their gear at the moment is unbelievable. You know, it's standing up to time, they offer amazing warranties on it, and it's just good work. And bang for buck, you can't get much better. You know, for the price that you're paying for iTECHWORLD and what you're getting out of it, I think can't be beaten. So that's the reasons that I've gone with iTECHWORLD. So at the back, we've got 4 120X Pro lithium batteries. So 480 amp hours of lithium. I'm not going to go into too much detail about lithium. There's plenty of information online and on YouTube and that, but by putting this 480 amp hours in over the 300 amp hour AGMs, I'm actually saving weight by quite a bit as well. They're so much lighter and you get so much more power out of it. So 480 amp hours, we'll be running the 40 amp DC-DC charger off the alternator in the car. This DC-DC also will charge via the solar panels, but it won't do both at the same time. So for that reason, I'm going to go with an MPPT controller as well. That way I can pull 40 amps out of the car while I'm driving, and on a nice day I can also pull a bunch of amps out of the solar panels as well. You got the BC 40 amp charger there as well for your 240 volt when you're at home, when you're in the caravan park and you plug in, that'll charge those lithium batteries as well. And we got the 3000 watt inverter. Massive inverter. It's also got an automatic transfer switch, so plug into 240, that's going to flick straight over to the 240. You're not even going to notice that it's changed from the inverter to 240. I went with the 3000 watt inverter for a few reasons. One, I've got an air conditioner in the van, so I want to be able to have that option to cool the van down a little bit if we're in somewhere super hot like I am right now. Also got induction cooktop that I'd like to use if the weather's not great to be standing in front of a gas cooker outside. I can run the induction cooker off that with no problem at all. It's also got the RC2 remote controller, so that'll mount somewhere in the Caravan, and then from there be able to turn it on and off without digging under the seat or under the bed, wherever we mount it, to turn it on and off. We've also got the 500 amp shunt. So that's going to monitor the battery, the power in, your power out, and give us a good accurate reading of where our power levels are at. So once again, like I said, it could be a little bit overkill, but for what I want, it's going to suit me perfectly, and that's why I've chosen to go in this direction. We're going to be installing all this soon, so check out the next video, and we're going to run through everything that we do to get this all fully working and installed, and I'm pretty excited about it, so I hope to see you guys in the next one. See you later.